Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Amazon Prime Video black screen on your settings. All you have to do, just click here on settings, then it's going to take you here in this window and you just go down, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window here and you just go down here to looking for Prime Video app or Amazon Prime Video app. Just go down and you click here on Prime Video, then it's going to take you to next window here, then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK, then you go down and you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you know you I gave it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.